Hi there, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com. I'm a Stampin Up demonstrator in Canada, and this how-to video is a tutorial for all my amazing customers who shop with me this month. This card kit will be sent to those customers who use the designated host code. When customers shop with me, they instantly get invited to a VIP Facebook group called SuNN Social, where they'll receive extra special treatment. If you're not one of my customers, please enjoy this free video as an inspirational tutorial. And I would love to see you like, subscribe, and share. Hey everybody, for this month's card kit, this is the card that we're going to be making. It is an adaptation from something that Rachel Tessman, my friend, had come up with. So I've incorporated some elements from her card, but I made it so that it would be functional for a card kit of the month. So everyone's going to get a shiny paper and also like a more matte and subdued paper. And this is how the card opens. So very simple, very cool. It is an unusual fold, and I've used vellum on the inside as a surprise element. It's featuring this stamp set called Beautiful World. So in your card kit, this is what you'll find, a few components here. And also this being cut out. First of all, we're going to ink up our stamp. You could use whatever ink that you would like. I am using StazOn ink. It gives a beautiful, bright, black, crisp image with using the red rubber cling stamps. Try to get that center. Perfecto. All right, I'm going to use some dimensionals. And I'm going to adhere it on the coordinating cardstock circle. Not all card bases are this color. There's going to be Misty Moonlight, Whisper White, Basic Black, and Crumb Cake. But depending on what card design you get. All right, for the vellum piece, we're going to fold in half. And so with the opening on the left side, we're going to fold it again to the right. All right, so we're going to take our white piece of card. And this point, you might want to grab your glue or favorite dry adhesive. I'm just going to use glue here. I'm going to take some of the little extra pieces that I've cut in the kit, and some of them might not be cut correctly. You know that? Because, yeah, there's a lot of little components to this card kit. And I'm not perfect. All right, so I'm going to just trim off that little bit. And now I'm going to just use dry adhesive. And I'm going to put it on, obviously, the flat side of my vellum. All right. So the thing with vellum is that it's a unique animal. You need to hide the adhesive wherever possible. So here's my card base. And I'm just going to put the vellum and the white piece on the inside of the card. And you can see, you'll see the natural border. It's all been cut appropriately. All right, I'm going to close the card, and I might have adhered your front DSP to your card base. I might not have. I haven't gotten around to die cutting them, but I have a funny feeling that I'll just sort of wing it. So you will have to adhere your designer series paper to your card front, just like I did with dry adhesive. So now there is, you can see how the card will open, okay? So we're going to put liquid adhesive or any adhesive. If you want to put dry adhesive, that's fine too. I think I'll use dry. Okay. Then we're going to attach this guy. And you're going to fit it in like a puzzle piece. There we are. And then with this little guy, it's just an extra piece of paper. You can leave it out. What Rachel did was attach it in both on either side of the fold. I think I'm just going to do it on one side of the fold. She had a few little other embellishments, and if you had this bundle, you could do like she did, and she used this embellishment, or she used this die to cut out a gold foil embellishment, and she actually put it on the inside here and glued it to the world and also to the vellum. So it was something that looked like that. And I just, for the card kit, it's just not feasible. It would be too fiddly, and I didn't have enough gold paper, or I couldn't even get the brass paper. So this is how we're going to leave it. You're more than welcome to decorate it up. I would love for you to put your card kit on my Facebook page. So the one last thing that I'm going to do here, and I thought was kind of a cool idea, because I'm using vellum, we have that problem of the adhesive that I was telling you about. So if somebody does look behind, they're going to notice the unsightly adhesive. So what you can do is you can put some paper, the second half of the paper, to the back side. Now this is getting, pretty finicky. I don't know how many of you are going to do it. If you do, let me know. And then what I'm going to do here is, this was the die cut that was removed. And I've just tucked it in. You don't have to use it. This is purely optional. You could use it for a different project if you wanted. It is not necessary. I'm going to fold it in half. Then I'm going to cut it in half. And you could throw this on your trimmer if you wanted, or you can just scissor cut like I'm doing. And then I will, whatever this adhesive just happens to be right here. And that's what I'm going to use. And I'm just going to adhere that to the vellum. Come on, wiggle room time, please, please. And then what happens is it will cover that unsightly business of the vellum paper. So that is the very Rachel Tessman inspired card for the card kit of the month of June. I'm very happy to share with you a new product out of the catalog. Some beautiful designer series paper. You guys, my customers, you deserve it. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.